Installing a 7-way on the back of a dump truck. The old 6-way is right here. I'm going to take it out and then drill the hole bigger so a 7-way plug will fit inside that. Try and hole saw this, but this is 1/4-inch steel. I might just burr it out and then drill new holes for the mounting and then put the 7-way out here. Clean that up a little bit. Got a new burr grinder on the front of this. Let's take it down. Perfect. 7-way plug goes right on. All right, holes are good. Seven-way plug is wired, just need to wire it into the truck. Alright, flip the fasteners, now everything's working nice and even. Just tighten everything down. There we go. Plug is on, secured. Now I need to wire it in to the actual truck. Chop down. Good, brown as marker lights. Let's see what the plug is going to be. Blue to blue. That is tail lights, so green to brown. Okay, I need to see if that brown is right turn. Okay, that is right turn, perfect. That should be left turn. That is left turn, perfect. Red should be power from the truck. Yes, red is hot. This yellow-green should be backup, but we'll check that. Good, I got left turn, I got 12 volt. Brake is sending good signal. I need to figure out what backup is. All right, everything is wired in. It's the brown with green is the reverse lights. Now let's shrink wrap everything. Got headlights on, tail markers are good in the center there. Brakes are sending a circuit into the bottom center right here. So you're seeing it pop up and down. Left turn's on, left turn is on. Right turn is on the truck. Right turn is on for the trailer. And then this is backup. I need to jimmy this so I can put it in reverse and show reverse working. Reverse is on, reverse on the truck is on, and reverse on the trailer is on. All circuits work. Trailer marker lights are on, outside marker is on, left turn and brake is working, right turn and brake is working, marker rear is on, and marker on the front is on. Cool, everything works. This job's done. Put a new 7-way on the back of a dump truck. All works. Trailer lights work. Backup lights work. Brake controller. Signal works. Left turn, right turn works. Charge line works. This one's done. I'm on to the next.